So ladies, open final. So andito pa rin tayo sa Pasig City, Iloilo. Pia Gabriel, Janlil Imbaga, Kirol Sisters, Arian Montiliao, Narino, AJ Kulot. Op, oy, Narino na kauna. So it's Narino. Nawala si Kulot. Ayun. Wala Narino. Pia Gabriel, Kirol. Kulot, ano nangyari? Objection. So Narino, the Mighty Mouse. Wala. Wow. The Mighty Mouse on the lead. Narino. Anong nangyari, Kulot? So Narino on the lead. Arian Montiliao on second. Ayun, oh. Third, Pia Gabriel. Ay, Kirol. Chanel and Nika. And then Kulot. So Pia Gabriel, Chanel, Kulot on fifth. So still Narino, the Mighty Mouse on the lead. Oh. Narino. Arian Montiliao on second. Sayang si Kulot. Anong nangyari kaya? Parang nawalang aggressive ni Kulot, ah. Ayun, no? Oh, triple. Double. Third na si Kulot. Oh, Chanel, Pia Gabriel. And then Nika. Wala, Nika. Oy! It's Janlil Imbaga. So, yan, nandito si Heidi from Four Sisters Racing Team. Heidi Limbaga. Waiting for white flag. Narino. And then Arian Montiliao. So anong nangyari kay Kulot? Oh. White flag na guys, white flag. Third, that's Kulot. Oh, Chanel on fourth, Pia Gabriel on fifth, Nika on sixth. Ay, nakuha si Pia. Oy. White flag. Heidi Limbaga. Waiting for checkered flag. It's Narino. La. Inside si Arian. Wow. Checkered flag. Champion Narino, the Mighty Mouse. Grabe. Second, it's Kulot. Third, si Arian. Checkered. Second overall, it's Kulot. Third, si Arian. Ford Chanel, Nika, and Pia Gabriel. Checkered flag.
Congratulations, ladies.